What's going on, everyone? In this video I'll be covering some Metahero news, and that is the fact that Metahero is getting geared up to explode at the future blockchain summit in Dubai. Now this summit is obviously pretty far out. It's like 2 months away. It's in Dubai, October 17th to 20th. Now this is actually really important and really underrated news, and let me tell you guys why it's underrated. First things first, location is Dubai. For those who don't know, Dubai is rich, okay? There are Arab investors that are willing to spend millions and billions of dollars on anything that they think is remotely promising. So Metahero being as promising as it is, right? Like if you look at his chart, it's increased so much in the past month, since it's only been out for a month at this point. Let's see. Nope. It's Metahero token. There you go. Okay. So if you look at this chart, it had this astronomical rise from sub a penny, literally sub penny, all the way to almost 4.042. That's the high. That's a 500% move, guys. Now that 500% move, that inspired me to really pay attention. Like I bought it right here, and I sold some right here, on the way up. Obviously, I didn't hold all the way up here, and now I am fully out of Metahero token. I'm going to probably buy some really in the next coming days, simply because of the amount of news that Metahero has been pumping out. Like this is pretty big, right? As the hype is going to build up as this date nears closer, and as more people start hyping it up and the follower account starts rising on Metahero, so will the price, which is really good, and I can't wait for that. Now that being said, guys, I do want to point out that there are 45,000 plus hero holders and counting. We are just at the beginning and are already averaging more than 1,300 new holders ever since launch. Now this is super important, guys, because if this is true, right, if they are averaging 1,300 new hodlers, then that means that Metahero is gaining a lot of attention really fast and is getting a lot of support. So what's the benefit of that? Well, you see right here in the chart, it's having this downtrend, right? It had this huge uptrend, and then it broke it. Like this right here broke that uptrend, and now it's having a downtrend. But this downtrend is healthy because no crypto should be going from here to here this fast, right? That's actually ridiculous. So the fact that it's been able to do that is kind of absurd. But now it's going back down, and if we get more people to push Metahero, and there are 1,300 new buyers every single day, and hodlers, that's the correct term, right? And then we can expect this trend line to break. And once this trend line breaks, the only real resistance, if you look at the volume bars, is right here at 0.031. So if it breaks that point, then the next major resistance will be obviously at the all-time high. But if you look at the volume bars are higher right here at this resistance level, which means that this is really the key to break right now. This is a big key to break. If we break this, this should not pose too much of a problem. And obviously, if it breaks this, then we know that Metahero can go all the way to like 5 or 6 cents. So the point is that you want to constantly monitor Metahero, because if you never heard of the phrase buy the rumor, sell the news, this is a rumor, right? But this obviously is confirmed. This is actually going to happen. But the idea is you want to buy the hype leading up to the Metahero, conference or the summit. You want to buy the hype leading up to it, and then obviously when the event airs, you can hold it or you can choose to sell, and there's no harm in selling right there. The point is you want to buy it now. You want to buy it very soon, and you want to buy it while it's still being hyped up. Honestly, right now, with September not being too far away, it's already like August 9th. So, time's flying. Buying it right now on this major dip, which is probably the best time we can buy it, because, 2 cents, right? So you buy like 1,000 Metahero tokens, then you're only spending like $29, right? What's the worst case scenario? You lose $29. Best case scenario, you can make over $100. So now if you invest $1,000 in, if you invest like $10,000 in, then you all obviously be having more Metahero. So yeah, max risk would be like $10,000, but max benefit will be like $60,000, $80,000. So it's really up to you how you want to trade this. The market cap, it's not too high. It's pretty good. It has relatively decent volume. It's been decreasing right now, but at the same time, it is nighttime. But the fact is that Metahero is due for an explosion, and with this, but this summit, and this confirmed summit in Dubai, with more eyes paying attention to Metahero, as we always say on this channel, more eyes equal more buys. So as more people start looking at Metahero, then we do expect, even a higher rate of hodlers joining. Right now, there's 1,300. I expect this to go to 2,000 while this news goes more viral and more people retweet this and like this. So let's see how high Metahero can go. If you are trying to buy it, now is the time. Let me know if you guys have Metahero in the comments below. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.